Make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So we said crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So we are trading, receiving in our internal wallet, then we make our withdrawal. And yesterday we started with only a capital of 100 USDTs and made it all the way to 256. Our target is 1,000 USDTs in 4 days. So where do we start? Make sure you click the link in my bio for free arbitrage classes, and also you comment crypto arbitrage for you to get free funding if you are lucky. So after buying your assets at a lower price in a centralized platform, that is Binance, you come and transfer them to Ranquilly. Ranquilly is where we get the arbitrage opportunities. You make a deposit. If you don't know how to deposit to your Ranquilly account, you just let me know. So I'll go very fast to P2P arbitrage. There are so many merchants here with good rates actually. So you make sure you don't miss any opportunity in crypto arbitrage trading. So we'll be selling 256 USDTs, and we will find the best of the best merchants today and make a withdrawal. Let me find the best, at least two, like this one. You can see the rate of this one. Actually from yesterday the rate is very high. It was actually 1 point something, but today there is a rate of 2.34. So that means arbitrage is going higher. A rate like this one is 2.34. So I'll walk you through. This merchant is called Matrix Coin Express with a percentage completion of 97.95. If the percentage completion is more than 50, or let's say 80, you can trust that person. And mostly of them, they are online, so you can't miss a chance. And you also check the minimum he has, and also the minimum you can trade with. So we are good. The minimum he can take is 176 USDTs, so we are good with that. And another thing I wanted to mention is that you can trade and receive in your internal wallet, that is Ranquilly, or in your external wallet such as Binance, OKX, Mexic, Bitget, Kraken. I'll do a video for the same. So I'll just come here and enter amount. We said 250. We'll be trading with the capital we have in our Binance. So after that, you see 250, I can double it. I'll get 585.00 USDTs, but you should have something in the back of your mind that there is something called a P2P fee. So it will deduct us, but not a lot. So let me show you how much will be deducted. And also you need to paste your Ranquilly address, so you get it in your deposit when you tend to deposit. So let me copy mine so that I don't confuse you. So after pasting your address, you just review and check if everything is okay, if the rate is the same, if the profit is the same, and everything. So you can see here P2P fee is only 11.70, so it is not bad. And my final take profit will be 573. So 573 minus 250, I'll get around a profit of 3. Here we get 2, 3 something, 323 USDTs, which is not bad. It's not a bad deal. So I'll just confirm. And there is something called escrow. So with escrow, you can't lose your funds in any way. So yesterday we waited until we did a release. So let me wait. We'll just wait with you because it takes less than 30 minutes. I think we have more time for that. So you will go to your withdrawals, and we withdraw. Let's say 50 USDTs. All I want to confirm is that you can make a withdrawal in Ranquilly anytime. So I'll just go to Binance and copy my address. I'll click on add funds, and it is arbitrage trading. Nothing, we are trading nothing more. Arbitrage and arbitrage only. So I click on deposit. You choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw to. For mine, I'll choose USDTs. Then you choose the network, Tron TRC20. Then I copy my address. Then I'll go back and confirm for you my balance is 256, so that when I make a withdrawal, we'll be on the same page. I'll just go then to my binance Ranquilly. Then I paste the address there and I enter amount 52. Then I'll review and confirm. So we'll wait for some minutes, around 10 to 15 minutes. You can check it here, 10 to 15 minutes for the funds to arrive in my Ranquilly. After they approve and send, we'll be on the same page. I'll let you know. So guys, I've confirmed that my withdrawal has been approved in my Ranquilly, and this is not magic. You'll get a notification in your Binance. Here it is, of 50 USDT. So I'll just go to my Binance and check. You can see it has changed to 306. So this is the power of arbitrage. If you make at least 50 USDTs in a day with only a capital of 200 USDTs, then you will be somewhere in a month. So I'll make another video on how to trade and receive your funds direct to your Binance account or your external wallet, and make sure you watch that video too. So let me go to P2P arbitrage and see how my trade is doing. You can see it has already been paid within 7 minutes. So you just come and release. You don't have to confirm, because I told you there is something called escrow. So he can't this can't be activated if the merchant hasn't paid. So you just come and release. Then you can see your assets have been released to your wallet. So we go and confirm in our wallet. I wish I could have shown you my balance so that we could be on the same page, but we'll just see it on transaction history. You can see withdrawal approved, not there yet. So I think the transaction is still processing, but the funds are here it is. P2P, the date and time, you can see it August 11, 1704, and my local time is 1705. So a profit of 573, and that includes the capital. So minus the capital, we said we've got around 323 USDTs in profit. So that's how you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. Let's wait for another video where I'll make while receiving in my external wallet. So if you have any problem, make sure you chat me and I'll guide you